Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today. This is an all-in-one AI platform that gives you access to top chat, reasoning, coding, and video tools in one place. It saves you from juggling multiple apps and subscriptions just to get your work done. I'll walk you through the key features so you can see how it actually works. Let's start by exploring the chat and reasoning models. Our workspace brings every AI model together in one clean dashboard, from chat to code to video creation. We start with DeepSeek Flash, the go-to model for quick everyday conversations. A simple prompt asking for help generating a food recipe is all it takes to get going. Notice how quickly it reads the request and jumps into fast generation mode. The response comes back with thoughtful follow-up questions to tailor the recipe exactly to our needs. That shows just how effortless day-to-day chatting feels with DeepSeek Flash. Let us move over to DeepSeek Pro for deeper reasoning tasks. DeepSeek Pro is the advanced version, purpose-built for step-by-step reasoning on more complex questions. That wraps up the advanced reasoning power of DeepSeek Pro. Let us try GPT 5.5 Pro in agent mode next. GPT 5.5 Pro runs in agent mode, combining the strengths of the previous models for even more capable task execution. That covers the agent-driven power of GPT 5.5 Pro. Let us move on to Kimi K2.6 for generating code. Kimi K2.6 is our dedicated code generator, ideal for building polished websites and UI components. A short prompt to create a login page is all we need to enter. In seconds, we get a complete block of HTML and CSS, ready to copy and drop straight into our project. That shows how quickly Kimi K2.6 turns a single sentence into working code. Let us take a look at Claude Opus for deeper creation work. Claude Opus is our deep thinking AI for building richer websites, content, and creative assets from a simple prompt. That rounds out the creative reach of Claude Opus. Let us jump into Gemini 3.1 Pro to set up a brand new video project. Gemini 3.1 Pro opens up the smart video workspace where we can create a brand new video with a single click. We give the project a title and start from a blank slide to keep full creative control. In just a few seconds, the full editor loads and we are ready to build. That is how easily a new video project comes to life. Let us start adding text, images, and brand assets to the canvas. The slides and text tabs give us everything we need for headings, subheadings, and layout control. A heading drops onto the canvas instantly, giving our video a clear focal point. From the Asset tab, we pull in a portrait image with just a click. No external tools needed. Brand assets like our logo can be added the same way, keeping every video on brand. That shows how quickly we can dress a slide with text, images, and branding. Let us bring in some stock media and explore the extra editing tools. The stock library is packed with ready-to-use footage, so a striking city night scene is added and resized to fill the frame in seconds. Uploads, drawing tools, shapes, and pre-built sections are all one click away for total design flexibility. That covers the rich media and creative tools built into the editor. Let us fine-tune the timeline layers and add a voiceover. On the timeline, we can drag clips to reorder them and adjust their length for pacing. A voiceover track drops in with a single click, letting us narrate the video right inside the editor. The Layers panel keeps every audio, text, and image element organized, so we can restack them in any order we need. That wraps up how flexible the timeline and layers really are. Let us save the editor draft before moving on. One click on Save stores the entire draft, so all of our edits are safely preserved for later. That confirms our progress is safely locked in as a draft. Let us export the project and view the final rendered video. The Export panel lets us pick format, quality, and FPS, so the final output matches exactly where we plan to publish. Once we hit Export, the video enters the render queue and processes automatically in the background. With rendering complete, a single click opens the finished output in a new tab. The final rendered video plays back smoothly, ready to share anywhere we like. We return to the editor with a polished video complete, showing just how effortlessly this all-in-one AI workspace takes us from idea to finished production. And that wraps up finalizing and exporting the video. You now have a simple way to test different AI models, generate code and content, and build a full video from start to finish in one place. Give it a try and see what fits your workflow.